How to add Yahoo Mail in Android phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add your Yahoo Mail in your phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Gmail application in your mobile device. And make sure that you're logged in with any of your email account. Now once you land on your inbox page, navigate to your profile icon that you will find at the upper right corner of this inbox page. Now tap on Add another account. Now there you get to select bunch of options such as Google, Outlook, Hotmail and Live, and there is a Yahoo as well. So tap on Yahoo. And the new page will pop up. There you have to type in your Yahoo email or username or the mobile number that you have used while creating your Yahoo account. So type in your email, username or mobile, and after that tap on Next. Then type in your Yahoo account password. Then again tap on Next. There you will be asked to your verification, so simply tap on Agree and continue. After that, your Yahoo account will be added. There you have to enter your Yahoo account name, so you can choose any of the name and then click on Next. Once you do that, your Yahoo account will be successfully added to your phone. And that's how you add Yahoo Mail in your Android phone. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.